In today's episode, I'm going to show you 10 plus high income soft skills you need to know in 2025. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. One thing is certain, in the midst of AI revolution in the global workplace, more than ever, we need soft skills, or power talents, as some people like to call them. Even while artificial intelligence is being utilized to automate a lot of tasks in our everyday lives and at work, soft skills like emotional intelligence, interpersonal skills, and communication skills are still fundamentally human. Whether we recognize it or not, interpersonal skills are what make our working life what they are. This particular group of soft skills is what creates the bonds and camaraderie we have with coworkers, the relationships we build with customers and even stakeholders, and the warm leads and priceless connections we make via networking. Generally speaking, the popular talents that are most frequently mentioned in relation to high-income skills are those related to technology, data analytics, artificial intelligence, coding, etc., and other fields like social media, digital marketing, and even videography. Even if these abilities are undoubtedly profitable, they cannot change the fact that your job will not progress very far if you lack soft skills, especially interpersonal skills. Your capacity to communicate and engage with others effectively will determine your access to mentorship chances, opportunities for professional advancement and wage increases, and even community development prospects. When working in any of the aforementioned technical disciplines, as a qualified freelance or even a paid professional, interpersonal skills are your secret weapon to maximizing profits. Tip 1. Conflict resolution, mediation of conflicts. Mediation of conflicts. The capacity to moderate disputes contributes to the upkeep of peaceful workplace. Effective negotiating abilities are essential for settling conflicts and getting results. Active listening is one of the most important techniques in conflict resolution. You can handle issues more skillfully and promote empathy and respect if you actually listen to and comprehend all sides. In addition to facilitating the discovery of common ground, this strategy fosters team member trust. Moreover, mastering emotional intelligence makes it possible for you to control your own feelings and react to other people sensitively, which improves your capacity for effective negotiation and even mediation. By putting these abilities into practice, one may create a more harmonious and effective work environment where relationships are bolstered and problems are handled amicably. Tip 2. Communication skills. Having proficiency in verbal and nonverbal communication. Being proficient in both types of communication can help you communicate ideas accurately and comprehend people around you. Public speaking. Having a confident public speaking style will help you stand out and get opportunities for leadership positions. Written communication. Writing well guarantees that your communications are effective, succinct, and even clear. It is therefore equally crucial to master this skill. Excellent writing abilities project professionalism and improve your capacity to persuade and educate your audience, whether you're composing emails, papers, or even presentations. Effective written communication also aids in the creation of educational materials. Process documentation and thorough record keeping, all of which are critical to the smooth operation of an organization. You may develop a well-rounded communication repertoire that improves your capacity to connect with others, express your vision, and accomplish your professional objectives by developing your writing abilities in addition to your verbal and nonverbal communication skills. Tip 3. Project management. Effective project management planning guarantees that activities are finished on schedule and within budget. Execution. You can complete tasks successfully if you have strong execution abilities. Monitoring. To make sure that everything proceeds as planned, careful and regular tracking of project progress is essential. By monitoring deliverables and milestones on a regular basis, you can see any possible problems or even planned deviations early on. This guarantees that the project stays in line with its goals by enabling prompt modifications and proactive problem solving. Furthermore, maintaining open lines of communication with all parties involved in the project promotes openness and cooperation, which facilitates the resolution of issues and keeps everyone updated. In addition to increasing productivity, placing a strong emphasis on monitoring as a crucial component of project management also involves the overall success and caliber of the project results. What makes interpersonal skills so important? Social influence and other interpersonal skills are essential for jobs requiring management or even leadership responsibilities. By doing this, you may gain the respect and credibility of your teammates, peers, and stakeholders. It also gives you the ability to successfully bargain for important professional milestones like your pay, benefits package, as well as business negotiations. Active listening is another interpersonal or even soft talent from the aforementioned list with a high revenue potential. By actually understanding others' perspectives, you can get important insights that will enable you to modify and enhance the way you collaborate with them. This can help you succeed in your work going forward and may even point out areas where the market needs filling, which will inspire new venture creations. Tip 4, negotiation skills. Conflict resolution. The ability to negotiate is essential for settling disputes and coming to win-win accords. Persuasion. You may influence choices and close agreements by using your skill to convince people. The fundamental ability of active listening improves persuasion as well as dispute resolution. You can diffuse conflict and promote cooperation by genuinely listening to others. This shows respect and understanding for others. In order to ensure understanding, active listening entails not just hearing what is being said, but also observing nonverbal cues and seeking clarifications when necessary. This intense level of involvement enables you to precisely pinpoint underlying problems and formulate more skillful, sympathetic solutions. You can create trust, encourage honest conversation, and get the most out of each engagement by combining effective bargaining and even persuasion skills with attentive listening. Tip 5, leadership skills, strategic thinking. To promote innovation and business progress, leaders must exercise strategic thought, making decisions. Being able to make well-informed decisions that are advantageous to your company is a critical leadership ability. Visionary leadership. Developing a visionary mindset is essential to leading your company to sustain success. Strategies that put your business ahead of the competition may be developed by seeing new trends and even foreseeing obstacles. Visionary leaders cultivate a culture of innovation and continuous improvement by inspiring their staff with a compelling and well-defined vision. They also promote teamwork and innovative thinking, giving the workers the freedom to provide suggestions that advance the company. Putting a strong emphasis on strategic thinking and even decision-making, in addition to visionary leadership, guarantees that you not only successfully manage the present, but also set out long-term growth and even prosperity. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 6, problem-solving skills, critically thinking. The secret to successfully addressing problems is to analyze circumstances and reach well-reasoned conclusions. Creativity, coming up with original solutions to challenging issues requires innovative thinking. Collaboration, making the most of group efforts fosters critical thinking as well as creativity. Working with a variety of individuals gives you access to a wide range of viewpoints and even ideas, which may result in more thorough and creative solutions. Open communication and the creation of an inclusive atmosphere where each team member is well respected and heard may ignite group problem solving and lead to groundbreaking outcomes. When you combine your creative and critical thinking abilities with successful teamwork, you can solve problems more effectively and create a unified, powerful team that is up to any task. Tip 7, time management prioritization. Being able to prioritize your work helps you stay focused on the things that are most important, which will boost your productivity. Effective delegation techniques can help you control workload and improve team productivity. Time management. Keeping balance and productivity in your work life requires a solid understanding of time management. You can make sure that every activity gets the attention it needs without going above and beyond by managing your time well. Calendars, to-do lists, and even project management software are examples of tools that can help you stay organized and remember your deadlines. Additionally, you can maximize productivity and avoid burnout by designating particular times for meetings, concentrated work, and even your breaks. When you prioritize and delegate effectively, you can manage your duties more efficiently, which improves performance and fosters a more positive work atmosphere. Tip 8. Adaptability, flexibility. In today's fast-paced workplace, it is essential to be adaptable to changing circumstances and open to change. Resilience. Developing resilience enables you to overcome obstacles and keep an optimistic attitude. Continuous learning. In today's ever-changing workplace, adopting an attitude of continuous learning is crucial to being relevant and even competitive. You can stay up to date with industry trends and breakthroughs by actively seeking out new information and even skills through formal education, professional development courses, or even self-directed learning. This dedication to development not only broadens your area of competence, but also increases your flexibility and adaptability to change. You put yourself in a position to handle the challenges of your work with assurance and dexterity by combining ongoing learning with adaptability and even resilience. This will guarantee your long-term success and happiness. Tip 9. Emotional intelligence. Self-awareness. You can manage your profession more skillfully if you are aware of your skills and shortcomings. Empathy. Having empathy for other people enhances team interactions and creates a positive work atmosphere. Resilience. Being resilient is essential to handling your career's ups and downs with grace and, of course, tenacity. People that possess resilience are able to overcome obstacles, learn from mistakes, and maintain their motivation even in the face of difficulty. Your capacity to manage stress and keep a good attitude is improved when you adopt a growth mindset and see obstacles as chances for personal improvement. Resilience is good for your own health and for your team as a whole, since it fosters a culture of tenacity and constant growth. Resilience enhances your total emotional intelligence and makes you a more capable and caring leader when combined with self-awareness and empathy. Tip 10. Customer service skills. Focus on the client. Positions in marketing, sales, and even customer service require the ability to comprehend and even satisfy the demands of the customer. Problem solving. Resolving client concerns promptly increases loyalty and happiness. Building connections. Building enduring, solid connections with clients is essential to encouraging loyalty and even trust. You can build a strong connection with consumers that extends beyond commercial exchanges by continuously interacting with them, paying attention to their input, and demonstrating a sincere interest in their experiences. Making consumers feel valued and appreciated via personalized contact and follow-up can promote repeat business and even word-of-mouth recommendations. Incorporating a customer-centric methodology alongside efficient problem-solving and relationship-building techniques guarantees a holistic approach that not only fulfills customer requirements, but also elevates their brand experience in general. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed tip 1 on this. Tip 1, conflict resolution. Tip 2, communication skills. Tip 3, project management. Tip 4, negotiation skills. Tip 5, leadership skills. Tip 6, problem solving skills. Tip 7, time management. Tip 8, adaptability. Tip 9, emotional intelligence. Tip 10, customer service skills. The only way around is through Robert Frost. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.